Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to SCIMETS Biology. This is me, your educator Disha. Today we are going to start a new course on cell structure and function. This is a course overview video where I tell you the areas we are going to target and also give you a little idea about the consecutive videos that will be there for the proper understanding of this entire course. Now before we begin, this is a brief introduction about your educator. My name is Disha HALDER. I have done my B.Sc and M.Sc in zoology, both from Calcutta University. Currently, I am pursuing B.Ed. Apart from this online platform, I have been teaching students offline for the past 8 years. Now that I have introduced myself, let's talk about the target audience. Well, this course will be beneficial to all the plus 2 students who are preparing for different competitive examinations such as NEET, CSIR-NET, B.Sc, M.Sc entrance examination, and other institutional examinations. Now let's discuss the upcoming lesson plan. Well, this chapter is highly scoring. The concepts of this chapter come in very handy while preparing the plant tissues, animal tissues, as well as the reproduction chapters. First, we're going to know what is meant by cell structure and function. Then we're going to move on to cell, the unit of life, under which we're going to discuss about the different organelles, their structure, their function, all in details. Then we will discuss the structural details of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. That includes all bacterial cells, plant cells, animal cells, and so on. Also, we will discuss a few questions followed by a little tips here and there. There will also be a doubt clearing session. So this course is going to be very beneficial to you as you get to learn a lot of new things, that too from an examination point of view. Now, all you have to do is watch the tutorial, build your concepts, like the video, share it with as many of your friends as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to SCIMETS and turn on your notification so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Your feedback is extremely essential. It will help me to make better videos in future. In case you have any doubts regarding the lesson, you can ask me directly on Telegram or you can send me an email. I will leave the links in the description box below. Okay? So in the next video, we will start with the introductory part of the cell structure and function with elaborate diagrams. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next class.